In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a road. To start with, you can see that I have an exclusion zone here that definitely looks like a road running through my site. Of course, I could import this as a road from CAD, but in this scenario, I'm going to just draw it myself. So I'm going to come to the toolbar on the right and go to the plus sign, then I'm going to select road. I'll put my first point here where the exclusion zone starts. Now I'm going to hold the control key and window over that point and hit T to bring up the transformation gizmo. Then I'm going to hold Control and drag along this red arrow to keep the line straight along the x-axis. And I'll just drag across my site, and now we have a road. So hit T one more time to make that go away, and I'll come to my layout panel. Now when I'm generating, I need to make sure I come to my roads menu. And at the bottom, you see a resulting pattern image. I actually want to make that go away. So I'm going to select existing roads, but then toggle back to generate roads. Now I can come to this bottom menu and select the road I've just drawn. I'll close that out, and now that I have my road, I can delete this exclusion zone here. So now I'll generate my layout. Okay, that's done, and you can see it's kept that road we drew and added more roads as needed. Of course, you can go in and fine-tune these as you go and add the roads you want to keep to your list of selected roads. Thanks for watching.